Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 coolest woodworking tools under $50 that are available on the market for their true quality. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Woodworking HC corner clamp set. This set of 490-degree right-angle clamps is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts who need precision and efficiency. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, these clamps are built to last, offering solid durability and anti-skid performance. Their adjustable swing jaw design ensures that the clamps can handle a range of materials, including wood, steel rods, and even thick glass, with a maximum clamping range of 1.9 inches. In terms of design, the single handle mechanism with a rubberized anti-slip grip makes these clamps easy to operate, even during extended use. They're ideal for tasks such as framing, doweling, and cabinet making. Whether you're assembling picture frames or installing drawers, these clamps keep your materials perfectly aligned for a professional finish. While they don't have the most cutting-edge features, they deliver reliable performance for the price point. The Woodworking HC corner clamp set is a great gift option for DIY enthusiasts or woodworkers. However, keep in mind that their slightly bulkier design may not appeal to professionals looking for ultra-compact tools. Overall, these clamps offer solid value for hobbyists and serious woodworkers alike. Coming in at number 4 is the Woodworking Connectable Contour Gauge, a versatile tool for woodworkers and DIYers. This set includes 2 gauges, a 10-inch and a 5-inch, which can be connected for larger projects. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, the gauges are both durable and lightweight. The adjustable tightness ensures that the tool stays firmly in place, allowing you to replicate complex shapes and profiles with ease. One standout feature is the dual-scale design, which displays measurements in both inches and centimeters. This makes it incredibly user-friendly for a range of applications, from fitting tiles to tracing irregular shapes for woodworking. It's particularly useful for those tricky angles and curves you encounter during home improvement projects. The gauges also come in a sleek gift box, making them an excellent present for the woodworker in your life. While the Woodworking Contour Gauge is an excellent tool, it's worth noting that its plastic build might not hold up as well in heavy-duty applications compared to metal alternatives. However, if you're looking for an affordable, practical tool for everyday use, this gauge set is hard to beat. It's a great addition to any toolbox and a thoughtful gift for any DIY enthusiast. At number 3, we have the Jurist Contour Gauge with Lock, a must-have tool for anyone working with odd shapes and angles. This 10-inch gauge is crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring it is lightweight, waterproof, and wear-resistant. Unlike many contour gauges on the market, the Jurist model eliminates the need to manually adjust tightness, as it comes preset to an optimal level. This makes it incredibly beginner-friendly and saves you time on the job. The double-sided scale, marked in both inches and centimeters, adds to the tool's versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, including tile flooring, carpet laying, and woodworking. Simply press the gauge against the surface you want to replicate, lock it in place, and trace the shape onto your material. The 0.05-inch blade thickness ensures precision, even with intricate or irregular shapes. While the Jurist Contour Gauge is an excellent tool, its 10-inch size may be limiting for larger projects. However, for smaller to medium-scale tasks, it's a reliable and efficient choice. With a solid 4.5-star rating and over 7,000 reviews, this tool has proven its value to thousands of customers. It's a great gift idea for handymen and woodworkers alike. Taking the number 2 spot is the Feek Contour Gauge set, which includes both a 12-inch and a 5-inch gauge. This dual-size offering makes it highly adaptable to a variety of tasks, from small-scale detailing to larger projects. The build quality is top-notch, with high-strength ABS plastic that is lightweight, rust-proof, and designed to last. The adjustable and locking feature ensures that the tool holds its shape securely, making it easier to transfer complex outlines and shapes onto your workpiece. What sets the Feek Contour Gauge apart is its high precision. the upgraded pins, which are 50% wider than standard models, and the ultra-thin 0.05-inch blade thickness allow for incredibly accurate measurements. This makes it ideal for tasks like tiling, carpentry, and even car bodywork. The dual-scale design, featuring both inches and centimeters, adds another layer of convenience for users. While it's slightly more expensive than some other contour gauges, the Feek set justifies its price with outstanding performance and versatility. It's perfect for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. The inclusion of a hex wrench for adjustments is a thoughtful touch, and the product's glowing reviews speak for themselves. If you're looking for precision and reliability, this is a fantastic choice. And finally, claiming the #1 spot is the Rocaris 32-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tool Set. This comprehensive set is a dream come true for woodworkers, offering a wide variety of bits and tools to tackle almost any project. With countersink drill bits, wood plug cutters, step bits, and more, this set provides everything you need for creating clean, professional finishes on wood, PVC, and even some metals. The build quality is impressive, with high-speed steel and carbon steel components that offer excellent durability and performance. The titanium coating on the step drill bits enhances heat resistance, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications. The set also includes a handy L-wrench for adjusting the depth of the countersink bits, ensuring precision every time. Whether you're creating recessed screw holes or cutting plugs to hide imperfections, this set has you covered. The value proposition here is unbeatable. For under $50, you're getting 32 high-quality tools that can handle a variety of tasks. While it might be overkill for casual DIYers, professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists will appreciate the versatility and quality. This set truly earns its place as the best woodworking tool under $50. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.